Hello, my genius creators. This is Jacki-Lynn, and we are getting it in with tutorials for teachers. I just wanted to show really quick. I'm doing a longer video about this, but this is my setup, and I use 3 screens running from one device, and I also usually have my phone sitting right here, letting students in, and I use this device that you see me on to see what the students are watching, as I said multiple times, and to also let them in. But right now, I just wanted to share with you 3 tips that I use when I'm doing class. 1, Zap Splat. When it's time for them to return, I will ring that school bell, or I will ring that bell to get their attention to come back to the Zoom window if they're working asynchronously, or to return to class after break. I also use virtual timers to share with them from this screen so that it doesn't have to interfere with any of all of this going on. And then I can share that with them while they're doing asynchronous work so they can know what time to come back as well. Also, break time. What I do during break time is I put my break time slides on. I share that. Well, I didn't mean to do that. I meant to put present. So I'll present that large screen, and then I'll play the video. So that's what I do to break time. And when that goes off, then the students know that they can return to that. Now, if they're put in the waiting room during break time, then they all have those slides in their Schoology as a resource. And so it's always opened up every morning. We start our day with opening it up so that we can all click at the same time, 1, 2, 3, and click break time. Okay, and that's how we have fun with that. So this has been your tech tip for today. Like I said, I can see students enter on here, and then I can let them in. For students who I've kicked or placed into the waiting room for behavior purposes, they'll wait right there until I'm able to get them back in. I can also do it from this screen or this screen as well. Stay tuned for a tutorial on showing you how I utilize whiteboard chat to do number strings as well. Once again, Jacki-Lynn getting it in with tutorials for teachers. Have a great teaching day.